Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today on my Walmart beauty box unboxing. This gets sent out 4 times a year, and I just read a super funny comment on my, I don't even think it was my last one, it was one of my previous Walmart boxes. I mentioned in the video this costs $5, and the person left me a comment saying the box itself is free, you're paying $5 for the shipping, and that if I'm going to make videos, I should at least know what I'm talking about. I read that hours ago and I think it's hilarious. Yeah, the box is free. You pay $5 for shipping. That's what they tell you. You're still paying $5. It doesn't matter what it's going towards. It costs you $5. So anyways, I normally don't let silly comments like that bug me, but I'm just like, how petty is that? That one just made me laugh. Anyways, these are samples, sometimes full-size products in here. It is a subscription. You sign up, they automatically send it to you. You could cancel anytime, and everything in here costs $5. So the first product is by Pantene, and this is Intense Rescue Shots. Treatment targets extreme damage, helps prevent split ends. I've never heard of that. I do like Pantene stuff though. So it looks like you just add a little bit to the end and rinse it out. Cool. Definitely will give that a try. Looks like there's some coupons and stuff, but I'm going to kind of skip around that. We have some lotion, wet skin moisturizer. I have so much lotion, but I go through it like constantly because my skin is so dry. So I like having that by Curel. Hydration Heroes. You can rate and review the products in the box at Walmart website. Also have advertisement for Neutrogena. Whole blends. Here's some more information about the Pantene product. Ooh, cool. Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask. And that is a full sheet mask. Very awesome. Black charcoal. I bet that looks really awesome. So we got a mask. Also have from Olay Daily Facials. This is Daily Hydrating Clean Grapeseed Extract, a 5-in-1 cleansing power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, and mask and cleaner. Huh. So just add water and then use it to, yeah, it says dry cloth. About to say, it feels, kind of feels like a piece of gauze under here. So you just add water and use it like that. Interesting. That'd be a nice thing to travel with. Also have, I've tried one of these, not from Neutrogena, but they're kind of cool. It's a Collagen Kiss. It's a collagen infused lip mask. So the one I had, yeah, look, this looks like it's the same. It's shaped like a lip and you leave it on for a while. And it has all sorts of vitamins and things in it. Also have foil sample, shampoo and conditioner. I feel like every box includes these. So I do have several of those I've used before. I actually got a bag this time. That's kind of neat. Just has a little raindrops on the back. And it's black on the inside. That's very interesting. I wonder if that's going to be a new thing with all the boxes, because previously never got anything like that. So we got a bag, the Pantene, the lotion, a little cleansing cloth, collagen lip, face mask, foil packet of that. So for $5, I feel like that's a decent deal. Try some new products and have some good stuff that anyone can use, like lotion. So that's really cool. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the link below where you can sign up and join and read all the information. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.